Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and here's a long overdue unboxing of the Realme XT. The Realme XT is a very interesting phone because it's the first 64 megapixel camera phone out there. I've been meaning to review this for a really long time, but I've been slacking off. But quickly, before we start off our review, here's a quick look at what you get in that box. Alright, so here's the box for the Realme XT. You can see their slogan is Dare to Leap. Number one quality smartphone brand, all the keywords right there, but the wok fast charge is actually very appreciated. But this is also the first phone with a 64 megapixel quad camera. That's insane. Yeah, usual box. Let's open that up. All right, first up, you have this little sleeve that says, "Welcome to the Realme family. Let's embrace a new journey." All right. Okay, so first up, you have this nice little case. I do like it when you get a case in the box itself so that your phone is protected from day one. Usual bit of warranty information and a quick start guide on how to use your Realme XT. All right. And then you have the phone itself. Let me try and take it out of the box right there. All right, so you can see that the phone is actually pretty sweet. I actually really like the effect on the back panel. Very strong branding there with 64 megapixel and the trademark Realme gold ring around the, or yellow ring around the camera module. All right, so I'm definitely excited to test out this phone. It really looks quite beautiful. Okay, let's just switch that on. Keep it here. All right. So apart from that, you have the wok charger, which is super appreciated. I actually think this is one of my favorite features on Realme phones because they have this from Oppo, and it's super appreciated. You can just quickly charge up your phone. And of course, you have the Type-C charging cable as well. Is it Type-C? Yeah, I'm sure it's Type-C. Type-C, there you go. I like that even the inside of the Type-C cable has the yellow trademark Realme color. All right, so yeah guys, that's a quick unboxing of the Realme XT. Really beautiful phone for sure. All right guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Realme XT. As always, if you guys have any questions about this phone, let me know in the comment section below, or you can ask me directly on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.